ACNCTOP colorful LED wall sconces perfect light decoration. Simple installation, no professional electrician required. Color and brightness can be adjusted. 18 different lighting modes, also very suitable for family decoration gifts. Up and down lights can be selected. Creative dual lamp adjusts the light color and angle according to your ideas. The special light shape and light will bring you a unique visual experience. A cooktop LED wall lamp indoor is suitable for living room, bedroom, hallway, stairwell, TV, balcony, cafe, game room, waiting interior decoration, etc. You can choose the light you need according to different scenes and atmospheres so that this lamp fits perfectly into the environment. We are confident that you will be satisfied with our color-changing wall lamp. If you are not 100% satisfied, return of goods without reasons within 30 days, 1-year guarantee. Buy now on Amazon USA.